Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can update the device driver in your computer, in the Windows computer. So what is the device driver exactly? Device driver is a driver which works as an interface between software and the hardware part of the computer. So, and why it's need to be update or uninstall? Sometime it happens that some of your hardware part will not work, like sometimes your touchpad will not work, sometimes your mouse will not work, sometimes your USB, like the computer will not recognize the USB or any other external hard drive you will put. So it happens due to, it might be possible that your drive is corrupted, or it might be possible that driver is outdated or it's need to be updated. So this is the use of the device driver. So let me show you how you can update or uninstall. You can just go to the Windows menu and just search about device driver. So you will get a device manager option on the top, and you can just click on that and open. You can see it will give you list of all the device drivers which is available in device manager folder. You can see here audio inputs and outputs, batteries, Bluetooth, cameras, computer, disk drive, display adapter. So A to Z, all the device driver will be come in the as a list here. So if you want to update or uninstall any particular drive, so you can see there is a right arrow pointing. You can just click on that arrow and you will find the subdrivers, and make a right click on any drivers which you want to update or uninstall or disable, and you will get that option, and you can just click on that and it will perform that task. In the same way, suppose, as I said, suppose your ROM, like a ROM which is your, I mean the floppy disk reader is not working, and you can do one thing. You can just go to the again device driver and click on this DVD CD-ROM drive, and you can just try to you can just click on make a right click on that again, and the on the driver option, it will give you some other options to update or disable or install. So you can just check whether there is any new version of that driver is available or not. Once you will click on this update driver option, it will find automatically if if the new version of the driver will be available, it will be installed by itself. And once you will install, it may ask you to restart your computer, or it may not. So if it will ask you to restart your computer, you can just restart your computer, and if it will not, just leave it as it is. It will be done the changes by itself. So this is the way how you can update your drivers, which is the device driver or uninstall. Thank you so much.